This is a final video to fix Blue Mail on Android not receiving your emails, even when it looks like it is loading or refreshing. Are you facing a frustrating situation where you pull down to refresh and see the loading icon, but your new messages never actually show up in your inbox? This problem occurs because your phone battery saver or background restrictions are putting the app to sleep, which breaks a connection to your mail server. Most guides on YouTube tell you to delete your entire account or reinstall the app, which takes forever and often deletes your important settings. Here at Rexish, we know those complicated steps are a huge waste of time when you just want to read your mail. I have a secret easy trick that involves whitelisting Blue Mail in your battery optimization settings, so it stays awake and active all the time. This simple change allows the app to pull in new data instantly without being blocked by your Android system. Rexish is all about finding these quick shortcuts to make your favorite apps work perfectly again. Once you toggle this one switch, your emails will start flowing the moment they are sent. If you want to show you a step-by-step tutorial on exactly where to find this hidden battery menu on your specific phone, just leave a comment below.